I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to download a file in Google Chrome on Android. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android phone or tablet. Step 2. Navigate to the web page containing the file, image, or document you want to save. Step 3. Tap the download button or link directly on the web page if you see one. Alternatively, if you want to save an image or a link target, press and hold your finger on the item until a context menu pops up. Step 4. Tap Download Link or Download Image from the menu options that appear. Step 5. If prompted with a permission request to allow Chrome access to your storage, tap Allow. Step 6. When the download finishes, tap Open on the pop-up notification that appears on your screen, or swipe up on your home screen to open the application tray and then open the Files app on your Android device. Navigate to your Downloads folder and then tap your file to view it. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.